Well, you're never gonna believe me. That wasn't recording. It's okay. We only did the passenger side, so we took the head off. I got all the lifters out, push rods. Started inspecting everything, laid it all out here. It's in the order that it came out of the engine. The head's right there, the rocker armature's right there. All I do is unbolt and move stuff over here and inspect these. These look straight, they look good. The wear pattern is pretty, how do I do this now? Dropping this. Pretty circular on there as far as, I don't know how well you guys are able to see that. Maybe if I get it. Ignore that, that's from my fingers, but wear pattern's pretty circular on there. Like, it looks like this was rotating the way it's supposed to. I don't know how well you guys can actually see that, but they look good. I'm not super concerned about these lifters. And these rods are pretty straight and look good, so can't complain there. Yeah, I mean, they're I don't know why I'm bothering. You're not going to tell on camera. I rolled it across that table over there and already verified. But yeah, they're all in their order. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, except I did flip it over to this side, and reason being is we were gonna get to that freeze plug, which is right there. This is what we got for freeze plugs. If they're wrong, somebody tell me, but it says Chrysler 440, so that's why I ordered them. It looks like it's gonna be one of these ancient 5/8 ones. How's that look? Looks pretty good on there. Looks pretty flush to me. Probably wasn't the right way to do it, but like, I probably could have put it in the fridge or something for a little bit, cool it down, and then tap it in. We could do this, take off the oil pan and see what the underside looks like, because I'm curious. Yeah, it's definitely mouse? Like, see, it was in the oil pan, so. And it's correct. It's being good enough shape. Oil pan, good condition, not dented up. Looks pretty good. Alright, let's turn it around and take the head off, I guess. Let's go. Bolts upright. Take off that rocker, armature, assembly thing. A little rusty. I've had the intake off for a while, so I can just still roll that up. Okay. So, same story for the rest. we go. Woo. All right, well, let's see what we see, huh? That is, can this stand? Thank you. All right, heads off. Well, first thing I notice is all this gunk right here. And in there, is that a cooling port that's supposed to be here? Or is that just... This is relatively normal carbon buildup around the edge, right at the quench pad, like right at the top of the cylinder. Around the brim, I'm not super worried about that. A little weird that it's just on the one corner of this one, but that's fine. Alright, we'll get all of this that I dropped in there, a little gently. Crosshatch actually looks really good. Like good to the point where I'm questioning, is this rebuilt shortly before they decided to pull it out of the car and replace it with whatever they swapped into it? Yeah. Hell yeah. This is board 30 over. So at some point it was rebuilt. That's like the next step up. With these engines, from the research I did, it sounds like you can go up to like 60 over safely before you start intruding on water jackets or any other problems. So in case anybody's wondering exactly what I'm talking about with 30 over, let me pull this off the stand. If you look real close like right here, you see this punch number right here, and that says 030 point or decimal 030. That's on all the cylinders right there, right there. And this one, if I wipe it out real quick, you'll be able to see it right there. So these are 30 over pistons, which is cool. I mean, it's been rebuilt before, but that's a little bit more displacement. It's more like a 445 then, with just slightly bored out cylinders. Not much, it's only, what, 3 thousandths, 30 thousandths of an inch or whatever over. But I mean, 30 thousandths bore is still, and I still have life in this engine block. I can still go bigger if I ever chose to rebuild it and bore it out, and then slightly more displacement. Who's gonna complain about that? Not this guy. But yeah, everything else looks good. I don't see any cracks. I don't see any real problems. I just have to scrape off all this old gasket because I got like bits of stuck on old head gasket all around. So I'll get a razor blade and scrape this all off, clean it off real good, and we'll put on our new head gasket and our new oil pan gasket, and build up from there, get everything put together. We do have to get these this other side of lifters out so we can inspect those. Let me go get it. So same thing with these. Really? I don't know. Why is this one not coming up? Oh, there we go. I just kind of push it from the back side since I have the intake off. A little bit dirty on top. I don't see anything unusual scoring wise. You can get my grimy dirt off there. You can see that circle wear pattern in there. I think that looks pretty good. So, can't complain about that. That chain's really nice though. Yeah, she's good. It's a double roller. I don't know if that's what's comes stock on these. I'm gonna do some research tonight. Are these factory bolts? Let me do some research on that. We're gonna stop there for right now.